Carbohydrates are mainly composed of which elements? A. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. B. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. C. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. D. Carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus. The correct answer is A. Carbohydrates are primarily composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a ratio of 1 to 2 to 1. Which of the following is a complex carbohydrate? A. Glucose. B. Starch. C. Fructose. D. Sucrose. The correct answer is B. Starch is a complex carbohydrate composed of many glucose units. Which biomolecule serves as the main source of energy for living organisms? A. Proteins. B. Lipids. C. Carbohydrates. D. Nucleic acids. The correct answer is C. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for living organisms, due to their quick breakdown into glucose. What is the basic structural unit of a protein? A. Fatty acid. B. Nucleotide. C. Amino acid. D. Monosaccharide. The correct answer is C. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, linked together by peptide bonds. Which of the following is a function of lipids in the body? A. Energy storage. B. Enzyme activity. C. Antibody production. D. Cell structure. The correct answer is A. Lipids serve as an essential energy storage molecule in the body. How many standard amino acids make up proteins in humans? A. 20. B. 5. C. 10. D. 15. The correct answer is A. There are 20 standard amino acids that make up proteins in humans. Which nucleic acid carries genetic information in cells? A. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA. B. Transfer RNA, tRNA. C. Messenger RNA, mRNA. D. Deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. The correct answer is D. DNA is the nucleic acid that carries genetic information in cells. What type of bond connects the building blocks of carbohydrates? A. Peptide bond. B. Glycosidic bond. C. Phosphodiester bond. D. Ester bond. The correct answer is B. Carbohydrates are connected by glycosidic bonds. Which lipid acts as a main component of cell membranes? A. Triglycerides. B. Phospholipids. C. Steroids. D. Waxes. The correct answer is B. Phospholipids are a main component of cell membranes due to their amphipathic nature. The double helix structure is associated with which nucleic acid? A. Ribosomal RNA. B. Transfer RNA. C. Messenger RNA. D. Deoxyribonucleic acid. The correct answer is D. The double helix structure is associated with DNA, facilitating genetic information storage and replication. Which of the following is a simple sugar? A. Starch. B. Glucose. C. Cholesterol. D. Triglyceride. The correct answer is B. Glucose is a simple sugar, also known as a monosaccharide. What is the biological role of proteins in the body? A. Main source of energy. B. Cell membrane component. C. Enzymes and structural support. D. Energy storage. The correct answer is C. Proteins have various functions in the body, including enzymes and structural support. Which amino acid is known for its role in muscle protein synthesis? A. Leucine. B. Proline. C. Methionine. D. Aspartic acid. The correct answer is A. Leucine is an essential amino acid important for muscle protein synthesis. What type of lipid is commonly found in vegetable oils and nuts? A. Phospholipid. B. Saturated fat. C. Monounsaturated fat. D. cholesterol. The correct answer is C. Monounsaturated fats are commonly found in vegetable oils and nuts. Which nucleic acid is responsible for protein synthesis in the cell? A. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA. B. Transfer RNA, tRNA. C. Messenger RNA, mRNA. D. MicroRNA, mRNA. The correct answer is C. Messenger RNA, or mRNA, carries genetic information from DNA to the ribosomes for protein synthesis. Which lipid is vital for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins in the body? A. Triglyceride. B. Cholesterol. C. Phospholipid. D. Bile salts. The correct answer is D. Bile salts aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins by emulsifying dietary fats. What is the general formula for the structure of amino acids? A. CnH2-non. B. H2O. C. NH2CHRCOOH. D. CH2OH. CHOH. NCH2O. The correct answer is C. Amino acids have a structure, NH2CHRCOOH, where R represents the side chain. Which biomolecule is the primary component of cell membranes? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Lipids. D. Nucleic acids. The correct answer is C. Lipids, especially phospholipids, are the main components of cell membranes. How many essential amino acids are required in the human diet? A. 20. B. 10. C. 5. D. 8. The correct answer is D. There are 9 essential amino acids required in the human diet because the body cannot synthesize them. Which of the following is an example of a disaccharide? A. Glucose. B. Fructose. C. Sucrose. D. Starch. The correct answer is C. Sucrose is a disaccharide composed of glucose and fructose molecules bonded together. What is the primary function of triglycerides in the body? A. Long-term energy storage. B. Structural component of cell membranes. C. Enzymatic activity. D. Signal transduction. The correct answer is A. Triglycerides serve as a long-term energy storage molecule in the body, providing a source of fuel when needed. Which of the following is a complete protein, meaning it contains all essential amino acids in sufficient quantities? A. Lentils. B. Quinoa. C. Brown rice. D. Peanuts. The correct answer is B. Quinoa is a complete protein, making it a valuable plant-based source of essential amino acids. What is the function of RNA in protein synthesis? A. Carries genetic information. B. Acts as an enzyme. C. Translates genetic code into proteins. D. Stores energy. The correct answer is C. RNA plays a crucial role in protein synthesis. It reads the genetic information encoded in DNA and translates it into specific proteins. Which type of lipid is characterized by a polar head and a nonpolar tail? A. Phospholipid. B. Steroid. C. Wax. D. Triglyceride. The correct answer is A. Phospholipids have a polar head, composed of a phosphate group, and a nonpolar tail made of fatty acid chains. This contributes to their role in forming cell membranes. What is the chemical nature of a peptide bond? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Hydrogen bond. D. Van der Waals force. The correct answer is B. A peptide bond is a covalent bond formed between the carboxyl group of one amino acid and the amino group of another during protein synthesis. Which nucleic acid stores genetic information in the eukaryotic cell nucleus? A. DNA. B. RNA. C. mRNA. D. tRNA. The correct answer is A. DNA is the primary nucleic acid responsible for storing genetic information in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells, carrying the instructions for cellular processes. What is the general function of carbohydrates in the human body? A. Energy storage. B. Cell membrane structure. C. Enzyme formation. D. Hormone production. The correct answer is A. Carbohydrates primarily serve as a source of energy for the body, providing fuel for cellular processes and activities. Which of the following amino acids is classified as essential, meaning it must be obtained from the diet? A. Alanine. B. Methionine. C. Glutamine. D. Cysteine. The correct answer is B. Methionine is an essential amino acid that cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained through dietary sources. What is the storage form of carbohydrates in animals? A. Starch. B. Glycogen. C. Cellulose. D. Fructose. The correct answer is B. Glycogen is the storage form of carbohydrates in animals, mainly stored in the liver and muscles. What is the primary function of collagen in the body? A. Energy storage. B. Transport of lipids. C. Cell communication. D. Structural support. The correct answer is D. Collagen provides structural support to tissues like skin, tendons, and bones in the body. Which amino acid is classified as a ketogenic amino acid? A. Leucine. B. Phenylalanine. C. Glutamine. D. Lysine. The correct answer is A. Leucine is a ketogenic amino acid, which can be converted into acetyl-CoA and used for energy production. RNA is involved in protein synthesis at which cellular organelle? A. Mitochondrion. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Nucleus. D. Ribosome. The correct answer is D. RNA is involved in protein synthesis at the ribosome, where it helps translate the genetic code into proteins. Which nucleic acid is found in both the nucleus and cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells? A. mRNA. B. rRNA. C. tRNA. D. snRNA. The correct answer is A. mRNA, or messenger RNA, is found in both the nucleus and cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. It carries genetic information from DNA to the ribosome for protein synthesis. Which lipoprotein transports cholesterol from the liver to peripheral tissues? A. HDL. B. LDL. C. VLDL. D. Chylomicrons. The correct answer is B. LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, transports cholesterol from the liver to the body's tissues. This contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. What is the primary function of nucleic acids in the cell? A. Energy storage. B. Cell structure. C. Genetic information storage. D. Insulation. The correct answer is C. Nucleic acids, like DNA and RNA, store genetic information that determines the traits and functions of an organism. Which lipase enzyme breaks down triglycerides into fatty acids and glycerol in our digestive system? A. Pancreatic lipase. B. Gastric lipase. C. Salivary lipase. D. Intestinal lipase. The correct answer is A. Pancreatic lipase is the main enzyme responsible for breaking down triglycerides into fatty acids and glycerol in the small intestine during digestion. What is the primary function of phospholipids in cell membranes? A. Energy storage. B. Insulation. C. Cell signaling. D. Structural integrity. The correct answer is D. Phospholipids contribute to the structural integrity of cell membranes by forming a lipid bilayer. Which of the following is a nonpolar amino acid? A. Serine. B. Glycine. C. Aspartic acid. D. Lysine. The correct answer is B. Glycine is a nonpolar amino acid because of its simple hydrogen side chain. What is the biological role of nucleic acids in cells? A. Energy production. B. Storage of genetic information. C. Muscle contraction. D. Enzyme activation. The correct answer is B. Nucleic acids, like DNA and RNA, serve as the primary storage molecules for genetic information in cells. Which of the following lipids is a precursor for steroid hormone synthesis? A. Phospholipids. B. Triglycerides. C. Cholesterol. D. Waxes. The correct answer is C. Cholesterol serves as a precursor for the synthesis of steroid hormones in the body. Which amino acid is commonly found in collagen, the most abundant protein in the human body? A. Proline. B. Cysteine. C. Arginine. D. Methionine. The correct answer is A. Proline is a key amino acid in the structure of collagen, providing stability to its triple helix configuration. What type of bond forms between amino acids in a peptide chain? A. Ionic bond. B. Hydrogen bond. C. Covalent bond. D. Van der Waals bond. The correct answer is C. A peptide bond is a covalent bond that links amino acids together in a protein chain. What is the main biological function of triglycerides in the body? A. Energy storage. B. Hormone synthesis. C. Nerve transmission. D. Bone formation. The correct answer is A. Triglycerides are the body's main energy storage form, providing fuel when needed. Which nucleic acid is primarily responsible for carrying out protein synthesis based on the genetic code? A. DNA. B. rRNA. C. tRNA. D. mRNA. The correct answer is D. mRNA, or messenger RNA, carries the genetic information from DNA to the ribosome for protein synthesis.